guys, welcome back. So today's video is gonna be a little bit different. Basically, we're not drawing today, we're gonna be cooking instead. So I'm really excited to show you guys my process in making this really cute Hello Kitty bento box. So to start, I'm here at Daiso, and what started all of this is me finding these really cute Sanrio character molds. Next, I found these really cute rice ball containers too. And then here's another really cool item. It's basically like a mold or a stamp that goes like on the bread and it makes like a little shape. Really cute. Those of you that don't know, Daiso is a Japanese store. It's kind of like a dollar store over there pretty much. And they just have a lot of cute things. I found this really cute bunny bowl. And then eventually I found my way to all the bento stuff. So we have like these little dividers here that sometimes is used in the bento boxes, and some very helpful shape cutters. Kind of helps you cut the seaweed to make faces on the rice, which I regret not buying. And then finally I was looking for the perfect bento box to use, since the ones I have at home are either too small or very thick. So I found this one and the mold fits perfectly. So here's a quick look at all the molds that I got. So we've got Hello Kitty, and there's her body, and then there's also a little mold for like her bow and her shirt. And then I also got Cinnamoroll and Pom Pom Purin. Quick, let me show you guys my vision here. So basically the base is gonna be lettuce, and then I'm also using salmon, and Hello Kitty obviously is gonna be rice. For her face we're gonna use seaweed for like her whiskers and her eyes, cheese for her nose, and then ham, which is gonna be used for like her bow and her clothes. And then on the other side, I'm gonna have broccoli in one corner and then some mashed potato on the other corner. I really wish I recorded a lot more, but I didn't. So here's just a small process of how I started. So here's my cooked salmon, which I kind of burnt a little bit. But here's our potatoes, which are gonna be mashed potatoes very soon. And then here's our bento box. I'm gonna start by doing the base, which is the lettuce. After that, we're gonna start placing our salmon on top. And then I do have like the mashed potatoes, the broccoli, and the mold already on the side. So we're gonna go to that right now. Okay, so here it is, everything put into the bento box. It looks really nice, but we're not done yet. I'm a bit of a perfectionist, so I was like messing a lot with the rice. It didn't look good to me. But here I'm placing like the ham that I cut out, so her bow and her little shirt. And oh my goodness, it took forever to cut out her eyes from the seaweed, and you'll see me messing around with that in a little bit. But look at me still messing around and trying to make sure everything looks perfect here. Okay, so now for her face, we're placing her eyes down, and I just can't seem to accept that they look good there. So I'm just pushing them deeper in, fixing her bow, I don't know. So here it is, finally. She looks a little crooked, a little wonky, but it's all good. I think it looks really good. For my first time making a bento box, honestly, look at her bow coming off. But anyways, I had a lot of fun making this. It only took 3 hours, but it was fun, and I would definitely try it again. But that's pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, even though it was something different. But if you did enjoy it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And comment down below if you guys want me to try different things like this again. But I will see you guys in the next video. Have a nice day.